Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Keyword Explorer ChatGPT plugin that you can use to find related keywords to a specific seed keyword and get more content ideas for your blog or e-commerce website. Right before I will show you an actual example, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on the Keyword Explorer ChatGPT plugin that you can read and learn more about some of the use cases of this plugin and also share some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with. So if you're interested in more details, make sure to check out this article linked in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the Keyword Explorer ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to use this plugin, you have to make sure that the plugins feature is enabled in your ChatGPT Plus account. So you also need to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription at the time of recording this video. Then click on New Chat, select GPT-4 from the model selector, select the plugins model, click on this down arrow, and if the plugin is not installed for you, as it's installed for me, you have to scroll down here, click on Plugin Store, search for Keyword Explorer, and install the plugin. And last but not least, you also have to enable the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Then all you have to do is add the prompt we want to use, and I'm going to use a really simple prompt to demonstrate how this plugin works. So let's say you want to find the most searched keywords related to a specific keyword called AI tools, which is this seed keyword, so a keyword that has a very high search volume, and we want to find some related keywords. So you can also write content on those blog posts as well and internally link these articles so we have a higher chance of ranking in Google search. Alright, so once you have added your prompt, click on send message here. So as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of function or fancy code. If the Keyword Explorer plugin is activated and you use a prompt like this, ChatGPT will know that it has to use the Keyword Explorer ChatGPT plugin, and indeed it has activated the plugin. So as you can see, it has sent the keyword AI tools, and the plugin gave back some related keyword ideas, which are all AI tools in one website, best free AI tools free online, free AI software tools, newest AI tools, generative AI tools, and other keywords. Of course, you can always get more ideas based on this keyword list, or you can also get search volume, CPC data, and stuff like that. This is a really simple SEO plugin that you can use for keyword research. There are some other SEO ChatGPT plugins. If you want to learn more about those, check out my YouTube channel. I have a ton of ChatGPT plugin tutorials that can be used for SEO, marketing, online marketing, content writing, but not only for marketing, but for finance, business, scientific research, cryptocurrencies, stock trading, and a lot more. So make sure to check out those plugin tutorials as well. And more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.